I've sent it.
You have sent the mail?
Yes, ma'am. I've sent the mail to Kayuri, ma'am.
Okay. We'll talk to Kayuri ma'am, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Still students are joining Pragyan late in the class, 2 minutes late. Be ready with the textbook page number 155, everyone. I'm going to present my screen. Just let me know whether the screen is visible to you all or not.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
this visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the page number 155.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the
Yes, ma'am.
practice time. A square has a boundary of 12 centimeter. Boundary 12 centimeter means is the perimeter because each side is 3 centimeter. If we see the boundary total, that is 12 centimeter. Now they are saying from the corner of the square, a small square of a side 1 centimeter is cut off. Will the boundary of B will less or more? Find its length. So will you able to guess?
It will be
Ma'am, more. Ma'am, more.
less.
Ma'am, of B it will, of C it will be
Ma'am,
more.
less.
Ma'am, more. More.
It will
Ma'am,
be
less.
more, less or same. Can you guess it?
Ma'am,
Less.
same. More.
More.
Ma'am, same.
Okay.
More. Same.
Some are
Same.
saying
Ma'am, same. More.
some
Same.
are saying more,
Same.
some
Same.
are
Ma'am, it
saying
will
less.
be same.
More, ma'am. Same.
Now,
More. It will be same.
okay, I got the answers. Mute your mic, everyone. Lower down your hands, everyone. Some are saying more, some are saying less. Maximum are saying more and maximum are saying less. Very few are saying same. Okay, this is I got Jignesh. I got. This is the result which I got from you all. Now let's prove it. Okay, whether it is more, whether it is less, or whether it is same. We are going to, yes, Vedi. Vedi, any doubt?
No, I want to give that. So.
Krisha, 4 minutes late in the class. So now let's prove it whether it is more, less, or the same. See, this line which is will be the same because यहाँ पे कोई cut नहीं है, will be the 3 centimeter, and the baseline this will be the also what? Give me answer.
3 centimeter.
Ah, this is 3. This is 3. 3 plus 3 is
Centimeter.
6.
6.
And this you can see this much is cutted. 1 is cutted. So this is 2.
2. 8.
So 6 plus 2 is 8.
8.
Then this is 1. 9.
9.
This is 10.
10.
And this is also 2.
2. 12.
12. So it
10.
will be the
10.
same.
Same.
It will
No more, no less. It will be the same. But sometimes students, it can be more, it can be less also, depend on the figure. Okay. So for that, I am going to show you one video. You first see the video, then we will discuss more practice question based on it. Is this visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
In this video, we will learn, does changing shapes also make a difference in the length of their boundaries?
I'm going to mute myself.
Look, I made a square on this paper. Its boundary is 12 centimeter. Yes, that is easy to find. Yes, but I want to find out if I change the shape of this figure, will the length also change or not? If the figure changes, the length of the figure will surely change. Okay, shall we change the shape? Yes. Look, I will remove this one square and change its shape. Now let's measure this figure. Write down the length of all the sides. 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters. If you add all these, the answer will be 12 centimeters. We changed the shape of the figure, yet the size of the boundary did not change. I think we should change the shape differently, Reyansh. Then the size of the boundary will also change. This time you try to change the shape. Okay, see, I will remove this square from the figure and change its shape. I think that the length of the boundary of this shape will still be 12 centimeters.
Find out now, students, and write in the chat box no shouting and no screaming in the class. Write in the chat box. I will read your answers. Find out. Because here are the
Chat
simple.
box is closed. Closed.
What happened?
Chat box is closed, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the unit?
What box is called? You can either use unit or centimeters.
Ma'am,
Mom, chat box is
Okay,
chat
okay.
box is not available.
Okay, it's open now. I want the correct answer, not more or less. I want the answer. And within a second, I am going to off the chat box now. Please write the unit also, whether it's a centimeter. Okay, I have got the answers from many of the students. Chat box is closed now. The answer is, the correct answer is 14 centimeter, and many of have given the 14 centimeter, but few Hare has given 13, which is wrong. And let me read, many of them, few of them has given 13, which is wrong. 14 is the right answer. Vedi, 13 is wrong. Hare, 13 is wrong. And one more child has written 13. Hare only has written many times 13. So Hare and Vedi, two of the students have given wrong answer, which is 13 is wrong. Let's see it. Video will explain you. I'm going to mute myself. You will able to see from the video.
Centimeters. Let's measure and check. Okay, let's write the length of all the ages. 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. If we add them, the answer will be 14 centimeters. That means changing the shape of figure changes the size of its boundary. No, when you change the shape, the length of the boundary did not change. But when I changed the shape, the length of the boundary changed. This means changing the shape may change the length of its boundary or may not change the length of its boundary. Did you get it?
Sometimes it's changed and sometimes it doesn't
Today we
change.
learned that the length of the boundary may change when the shape is changed. And that it is not necessary that the length of the boundary changes if the shape is changed. Therefore, it is important to measure the length of the boundary when the shape is changed.
So got it, students? Sometimes it changes, sometimes it doesn't change, but it is compulsory for you to measure it. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. The attendance for a minute. Mute your mics, everyone.
My camera is not turning on.
Okay. Now we have to come on the textbook page number. Take out this page number. Now next figure is given. It is the same. So we have already done. Find the length of the boundary of square D. Tell me what is the, write in the chat. I'm going to open the chat box. Write in the chat box what is the answer for the D1. I hope everyone has opened the textbooks. Yes, Arush Miani, any doubt? 20 will not be the correct answer if you not write the unit. Hurry. Don't be in hurry. Don't give answers in hurry. Please properly write the unit also. It will be 20 centimeters. Yes. And now if they have changed the figure, 8 squares of side 1 centimeter are cut off from the square feet. Now it looks like the shape E. What is the length of the boundary of the shape E? Please find the answer for the shape E. You can start from anywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. गॉट इट? कितना राउंड लेना पड़ा उसको? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
Moin Kaludi, again
Ma'am, I
36
didn't.
will not be
Ma'am,
the right answer. You have to
ma'am,
write the proper unit.
ma'am,
अगर
I did.
एग्जाम में any test में if any child forgot to write the unit, I'm not going to give half marks also. I'm going to completely cross it because I have repeated and reiterated many times the same thing.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes, please speak, Jignesh.
ma'am, I have done 9 photographs.
Yes. That also okay because you have done with the cutted squares, right? Okay, the boundary of this 1 centimeter is this plus this plus this. Can we also say that the boundary is 4 multiplied by 1? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now go to the next. A hockey field is 91 meters, 40 centimeters long and 55 meters wide. How long is the boundary of the field? 91 meters, 40 centimeters long, 55 meters wide. How long? That also you have to find out. See, wait a minute. I'm going to present the screen. Visible to you all? So you have to solve it. That how to solve this. If you want to do in the notebooks, you can do. This is 91 and 40 centimeter and this is 55 meter. So both the sides will be same. Then what you have to do is length of the boundaries you need to add and multiply it by 2. Please solve this in your notebook or textbook because there are 2 times length and 2 times breadth, or either you can add 1 time length, 1 time breadth, add them and multiply it by the 2 will be the same answer. Any confusion to any child? Pritika, I think, has written the answer. Let's check whether her answer is correct or not. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Pritika, just check your answer. Is your answer same? 290, because I think you
Ma'am,
have written in the chat box.
282.
292. Shivani, it should be 292.
I have written 282.
Just check whether maybe this is add and multiply it. Let me also solve, then give you the correct answer. It was 91, no? 91.40 plus 55 multiply by 2. Yeah, 292 it should be. Clear? Any doubt to any child? Okay. Move to the next question. Now I will move to the next question, number 4. Usha and Valsama are running a race. Usha is running on the inner circle, Valsama is running on the outer circle. Children, ये बहुत ही लॉजिक क्वेश्चन है. Valsama runs faster than Usha. Usha and Valsama are running. Usha is running on the inner circle, right? And Valsama is running on the outer circle. So Valsama runs faster than Usha, but still loses the race. Can you guess? Write the answer in the chat box. This is logical answer. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है. Valsama is running faster than Usha, but फिर भी वो lose कर रही है. Why?
Ma'am, can I say?
No. Write in the chat box. I will read your answers. Jignesh, I know she is on outer circle, but why? Outer circle पे तो है, but why? Why she always loses the race? क्यों win नहीं कर पा रही है? Pritika is little closer, but I want a detailed answer. हम इतना पूरा चैप्टर कंप्लीट करने पे आ गए. पेरीमीटर 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 वी आर लर्निंग. उसका यूज करो, उस वर्ड का यूज करो. बिकॉज आई टोल्ड यू इन द सर्कल, सर्कल में भी जो आउटर बाउंड्री होती है वो सर्कमफ्रेंस होता है, विच यू विल लर्न हाउ टू फाइंड द सर्कमफ्रेंस. यस जिग्नेश, बिकॉज जो स्मॉलर सर्कल है उसका जो पेरीमीटर है वो ऑब्वियसली कम होगा, उसकी बाउंड्री जो कम होगी, और आउटर सर्कल की जो बाउंड्री है वो ज्यादा होगी. यस और नो? यस और नो स्टूडेंट्स? एक स्मॉल सर्कल है.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I knew the answer, but I didn't know how to type it in.
See, this सर्कल है, इसकी चारों तरफ चक्कर काटोगे आप, इसकी जो बाउंड्री है, इसका जो पेरीमीटर है वो ऑब्वियसली कम होगा इसके पेरीमीटर से. तो इसमें उसको कम भागना पड़ेगा और इसमें ज्यादा. यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? इसके अगर चारों तरफ आपको चक्कर काटना, आप 2 मिनट में चक्कर काट के खड़े हो जाओगे. कंपैरेटिवली अगर इसके इतने बड़े सर्कल के चारों तरफ चक्कर काटना है तो उसमें आप थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा कंपैरेटिवली इस सर्कल के. क्लियर? कितना इंटरेस्टिंग लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन है.
I knew
Now,
the answer of this, but I didn't understand how to write it.
yeah, but you're still writing the
Renu
perimeter
ma'am,
spelling
Renu
wrong.
ma'am, Renu ma'am, Renu ma'am.
बोलो.
I was trying to writing. No, I was trying to writing that perimeter is always bigger than area.
Perimeter is always bigger than area. Okay, but it's not compulsory always. But here it's both the perimeter ना, दोनों ही perimeter है, क्योंकि दोनों में बाउंड्री पे चलना है उसको, है ना? रन तो बाउंड्री पे ही करेगी. क्लियर प्रज्ञान? नेक्स्ट. अब जितने भी, बिकॉज जितने भी उसके बाहर आउटर सर्कल में आप सर्कल्स बनाते जाओगे तो सबका पेरीमीटर ज्यादा होता जाएगा. सेम हियर. हैव यू एवर सीन एनी रेस वेयर रन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम डिफरेंट प्लेसेस एंड लाइक दिस? कभी ऐसी रेस देखी है आपने कि एक पर्सन दूसरे स्टॉप से रन कर रहा है, एक थोड़ा दूसरे से और एक दूसरे से? कभी ऐसी
Yes,
रेस
ma'am.
देखी है? कहाँ पर
मैंने
विहार?
ma'am, in the that's I
Where
in
the
marathon
starting point is
events.
different.
Yes, ma'am.
स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट डिफरेंट होता है.
मतलब एक या, एक रेसर थोड़े सेंटीमीटर से वो पीछे रहता है और उसके भी पीछे एक जना होता है, उसके भी पीछे उसके भी वैसे होता है. I
So then how they win? How they select the winners?
Ma'am, I have the right answer.
Okay, Shivangini, tell me.
Ma'am, because the places are different, because when they start, the fastest one will go front, and one, if when they are running, their place should be same. That's why the starting point is different.
No. I don't think so. कि ऐसा कुछ. Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, it's because that when the race starts, so everyone will start in one time. That's why different places for everyone.
But see, if the different places for everyone for the starting point, then how they will decide the end point then? Yes, Pritika.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Pritika, then the.
Ma'am, the endpoint will be different and
Yeah, if their starting point is different, their end point should also be different.
starting point different because the perimeter of the circles will be different.
Yeah.
So the starting point will also be.
Yeah, no problem if the starting point is different. So it will not be fair if they keep the starting point different and the ending point same.
Ma'am, can I say please?
Yes, the
Ma'am,
Jignesh will tell after the.
I was telling that only. That the perimeter will be big for the outer side one, and the inner side one will be small. So that's why the
Yes, okay. Yes, Jignesh.
ma'am,
Ma'am, can I say?
ma'am,
Last Jignesh will tell and then I will give you one quiz based on this today's chapter. Yes, Jignesh.
it will be said because the inner the on the first line it is so small. That's why start point should be so back. That's why, and then the last one is so big. That's why some centimeters is up. It's वो थोड़े सेंटीमीटर वो आगे, क्योंकि उसको सेम अमाउंट सबको
Of distance cover करना है. Yes. Good. Okay. Yeah.
The inner line one will be win because it is small to be race.
Yeah, but I'm not talking. I'm talking whether you have seen such type of races where the starting points are different.
Sometime only in tablet like mobile and TV.
There you have seen such races.
So some only.
Okay. So students, I'm going to give you one quiz. Please solve these answers in your notebook and then write the final answer in the chat box. Or not in the chat box, in the Google form. And I'm going to check this Google form manually. I'm going to give you this link in the chat box now. Go to this link because I'm not going to post this right now in the classroom. I know 2-3 students have already left the class. Is everyone, those who are here, able to open this Google form? Diva, you able to open? Okay. Lakshya, you able to open? Laksh, Rishabh, Shivangani, Hare, open this Google form.
Ma'am, may I go to
Yes, please go. Then you have to complete
Ma'am,
this
I am
also.
able to open it.
Yeah. Solve this Google form and solve this in the notebook. Write the final answer where they are asking for the formula. Formula you have to write in the Google form also. Okay. I am going to present the screen. The distance around an object is called, write that. Mrs. Sharma wanted to cover the classroom with a new carpet. With the length of the classroom is this, width is this, how much carpet would she need to buy? So carpet है, area निकालना है कि perimeter निकालना है, that you have to find out. What is the perimeter of the perimeter निकालो, find out, write the formula also. Here in the Google form also you have to write the formula. Calculate the area of a rectangle. If one square is 1 centimeter area, internal आपको squares count करके निकालना. To calculate the amount of carpeting needed for your bedroom, which of the following you should do? You have to find out the area or the perimeter. Write the formula of area of a square. So you need to write the formula. Which square unit would you use to measure the area of a 100 rupee note? Square centimeter, square millimeter or square meter? 100 rupee note है, so कौन सी unit use होगी? Find the perimeter of the given figure. Write the perimeter. Each side is of 10 meter. What will be the area of the square? And find the area of the given figure. जो हमने internal squares को count करके half squares को calculate करके निकाला था, we have done in the last class. Any doubt to any child to look when they are seeing the format of the Google form? Any problem in any of the questions, students? Yes, Dheer, you have raised your
Ma'am,
hand.
we
Please
have
ask.
to write all the first word capital.
Anyway, I'm going to check it manually. कैसे भी लिखो, इसमें कैपिटल का है ही नहीं, सॉल्यूशंस है सारे. And if you want to write any capital or something, you can write in any capital also, small also, accepted. Solve in the notebook, because if you're not able to write directly answers, solve in the notebook, write it in the Google, no, Google form then.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the second one, the length of the carpet is not given.
Carpenter, it is carpet.
Carpet.
सब given है बेटा. Length भी given है, width भी given है.
And the classroom is square, no?
Length is 18 meter and the width is 6 meter.
Then the classroom is square, no?
Which one?
In the second one, the classroom will be that.
कैसे square होगा if the length and the breadth are different? Length and breadth are different, then it should be rectangle.
It is rectangle, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
If length and breadth are different, this is the basic concept which you would have to understand. If the side is same, if one side is only given, so it's a square. To whom you are talking, Shivani? You are not giving your test. Only 3 to 4 minutes are left. It's your revision.
Ma'am, I am confused in the second one.
Length and breadth are given and it's a rectangle. You are going to take a carpet. तो आपको एरिया निकालना है कि पेरीमीटर निकालना है. कारपेट इंटरनली प्लेस होता है, नॉट ऑन द आउटसाइड बाउंड्री. आपने हमेशा देखा होगा घर पे कारपेट कवर करता है पूरी स्पेस को. सो इंटरनल अगर आप कारपेट बिछा रहे हैं तो आपको एरिया निकालना है, पेरीमीटर सबसे पहले वो फाइंड करना है. अगर वो क्लियर है देन यू विल एबल टू गिव द आंसर. Okay, students, complete this and send it to me today.
Okay.